10 Upwork tips for success. Create a high-quality profile. Yes, it's that age-old advice that keeps turning up everywhere you look. Write a thoughtful proposal. Creating a good proposal that makes a prospective client pay attention takes work. Identify the right projects and clients. Freelancing gives you the freedom to work with the clients you want on the projects. Toggle your rates strategically. Figuring out how much to charge for your freelance services can feel tricky for new freelancers. Be honest and transparent. Successful business relationships are built on trust. Communicate with clients. Good communication skills are essential for being successful in life. Go above and beyond. The best, most successful freelancers aren't just good at what they do, they also go the extra mile for their clients. Show your work. Your portfolio as an independent professional is like an online display book. Make the most of Upwork features. Setting up your Upwork profile is just the beginning. In order to truly thrive on the platform, make the most of the various Upwork tools and features. Be patient and keep trying. Finally, be patient. Solopreneurship as a freelancer often takes some trial and error. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my content.